Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 1st of April 2024 and the week will end on Friday 5th of April 2024. So this is the first quarter of the year and I am so sure enough that any setups that I discussed last week must have worked very nicely for you because the market gave very nice profit. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the charts and let me find out some new levels so that we can trade in the upcoming week and we can make good profits out of them. So right here, as you can see, I'm on the euro US dollar. Some of the previous analysis is already there. So first of all, I want to give you a little bit of a recap of the last week what I said. First of all, what I said is definitely we have the market clearly on this impulsive wave towards 1.15494, and in between this market is trying to go back up there with a trend line, but definitely all of you know that the market moves up and the market moves down, and in this zigzaggy movement it tried to achieve its level. So same is the case right here. As you can see, market initially gave us 60 pips of profit as a bull last week. From here, if you check out my previous video, you will clearly know that this was the trading setup. Then another sell that was discussed last week and that also gave around 60 pips of profit. So 120 pips of profit is made. Then there was another setup and that setup hit the stop loss around 40 pips on that. So 120 minus 40 and the net profit last week from the euro US dollar was 80 pips right here. As per my analysis, now it depends on the audience and on the traders how they took my analysis last week and how they traded it, obviously. So remember everyone, stop losses will always be there and there will be chances that market will be hitting the stop losses, but the right approach to do that is right here. We made for profit as a bull of 60 pips first and then as a bear 60 pips again, and then again we tried to become a bull right here, and unfortunately that hit our stop loss. But this is not something that I should be worried about because any stop loss that hit was covered from the stop loss and still we are in net profit. So this is the euro US dollar the last week, and this was the impulsive wave that I was expecting. So let's see, I will be discussing this today. First of all, I want to delete some of these lines as well, and those long-term traders, I gave you this trade setup right here all the way from 11th March 2024. So this long-term trade setup without going against us gave a very fantastic profit till now so far, 195 pips. So if you want to move your stop loss to break even, that is also very nice. Remember, I always tell you there are always bulls and bears present in the market, but what you can do is if you trade with a right mindset and with a right place, then definitely you will be making good profits in the longer run. So let's run a fresh analysis over here for the upcoming week by zooming the chart a little bit right here like this, and as you can see, this market is clearly showing a drop towards 1.05466 on a weekly time frame right here. As you can see, for the third consecutive week, market is keep dropping, and even in this drop we made profit on a bull and a bear as well. Now this is the weekly time frame obviously, and on a weekly time frame market has the potential that it can create this double bottom as well. We have a very nice previous broken level, and if you see right here, we have a very nice support right here, support right here, support right here. So there is a great chance the market is going to hit this level very soon right here. If you see on a daily time frame, on a daily right here, some sort of indecision or trend continuation signal right here, but obviously since these long-term bears or sellers are interested in selling the market at this price point, so let's have a look at it and let's find out what we can do in the upcoming week. Different scenarios I will be discussing so you can trade the one that suits you. First of all, right here on the H4, if I see and if I zoom out the chart a little bit, I would like to read this pattern. First of all, the market started to create this downward move all the way on 11th March 2024 by giving us this initial impulsive leg followed by a correction towards the top, giving us this ABCD pattern completion. Market again tried to go back up. We traded this one as a bull for the weekly traders, and obviously an other ABCD pattern completion. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and again this is going to be the A, B, C, and this is going to be the D, which is obviously completed. Now remember, most of the traders will be selling at this price point, but let me tell you one thing, that this is clearly standing at a buy zone, and even if the market drops from right here, still I will not be interested in selling the market at this price point. So what we can expect in the upcoming weeks, stay with me. I will be giving you one level that we can wait towards that, and luckily if we get it, it can bring lots and lots of profits. Right here on the dollar index, if we see this impulsive leg, if you see 2-3 weeks ago I gave you this thing, so partial profits, we have closed the trades right here, and as you can see, market is now clearly standing at a sell price point at this stage. So I think to move the stop loss of this one and to the break even, and then we can follow this rally to the top. So there is something that I want to discuss. This trade setup gave very fantastic profits towards 104.749, and at the moment price is standing at a resistance zone. So let me delete this trade setup, and let's switch to the H4. Obviously there will be some nice fantastic buying opportunity, but for that I have to read this market first, and the market gave us this initial impulsive leg followed by a sort of ABCD pattern completion. So it is expected that the market is going to drop towards this level in the upcoming week, and that level is 61.8% retracement at a price level of around 103.743. so it can become a very nice buying opportunity for us. Those who are wishing to sell from there as a weekly trader can sell the market, but this is the long-term opportunity. Make sure I have discussed this whole plan in the previous videos, so if you are interested you can check back some of my previous videos and you will get a clear idea about this. No doubt the market is going to complete this 107.121, but before that, market obviously, as I have told you, it moves in zigzaggy conditions and zigzaggy movements. So if this is going to be in a zigzag conversion, and if you can see 103.743 can become a very nice and fantastic buying opportunity for all of us. If the market luckily reaches here in the upcoming week, I am going to become a bull once again. And those long-term traders who are waiting to take their profits right here, well, I think if you can manage your trade opportunities nicely, you can wait for the market to come back down till here and resume your trades once again. Moving on to the gold US dollar, and on the gold US dollar, what I said last week, let's have a look at that. As I have told you, that market has to reach 2270.140, and right here it is the result in front of all of us. And 2 weeks ago what I said is, if market breaks this point, it is going to continue back towards 2270. 2191.327 was one level right here where we have a very nice and fantastic ABCD pattern completion right here. Let me show you, and let me find the other impulsive leg of this one. So this was the correct move right here, and if I show you this whole as a trend or as a in a parallel channel, you can clearly see that the market is trading near the resistance of the parallel channel right here. So definitely 2270.140 can become a very nice and fantastic sell opportunity, and for the buying opportunity, the long term is definitely going to be towards 61.8% retracement. 2095.374 can become and can be used as a take profit for that as well. So a very nice and fantastic trade opportunity on the gold right here. And buyers, obviously I don't recommend buying at this stage because market is trading way too high. So either a sell from there, or when the market is right here and market start to drop, we can take buy positions from right here. Very simple. But in the upcoming week, specifically on the H4, if I see there is no type of trade opportunity available, but just this 2270. If the market do this, then definitely the market has to come back down. Dollar yen is clearly trading and it is ranging. It gave us this breakout, but the market makers cannot decide which way they want to take the market. Right here, if you can see, it is clearly standing right here in the resistance zone. After a breakout, it is ranging. So let's have a look at the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, if we see, there is a good consolidation zone at a previous 2023 November 2023 zone right here. So around 5 6 7 5 months worth of resistance zone is right here. Definitely these impulsive waves are pointing towards 154.634. remember this level because it will be helping us very nicely. So what I'm interested in the dollar yen obviously is, if it can drop, I will become a bull. Most probably right here I have updated all of my clients as well, that I am interested to become a bull on the dollar yen if it give me a retest near 149.431 like this. So obviously I will be a bull once again from right here towards 154, and that is going to be a very fantastic trade opportunity. A bit of long term, but remember, if you trade long term, still you will be making good profits, but obviously you have to wait for the market. And obviously I recommend long term tradings for those traders who are already working somewhere and who have very less time. So for them, these long term trades, this long term opportunity, and this are like these trade opportunities which are the very long term, can work very nicely for those traders who are working somewhere. And if you are working somewhere, these are obviously going to be your investment type of trade. So you put your equity, you invest it, and over time it grows into a handsome amount of profit. So this is one trade opportunity right here. And for the weekly traders, obviously those who want to sell, this is very simple. If you can place your stop loss like this, a very tiny stop loss, and the take profit can be this, the take profit can be this as well. Personally, I will be more interested in buying the market, and I'm waiting for it because I wait for the market most of the time. So I will be trying to take a buying opportunity from 148.504. So this whole area can become a take profit zone, and what I will be expecting is by then the market will be giving me this impulsive wave. If I take it and if I paste it right here, and if I see this impulsive wave, definitely will be pointing towards 154. So different confirmations right here, and if the market closes above this tiny stop loss will be hit, and then I will be trying to sell the market near 154.634, because in this breakout I may not be interested, but I can obviously trade this breakout. I have to wait for it to go up and then come back down to retest, and then I can become a bull. But these type of trades are definitely very tricky, so I highly recommend everyone to stick with the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement trades. Now moving on to the pound US dollar, and as I have told you last week, that this is going to be a very fantastic opportunity right here with us. If you can see a very nice trend line even on the H4, if we see, and even if we see this on a daily, this is going to be a very nice fantastic zone. And last week how much profit it gave, same was the case which we have seen on the euro US dollar. So a profit of around 93 pips is generated to the top side, and then again from there profit of 93 pips again till here, and again a bullish opportunity, and that gave around 70 pips of profit. So pound dollar gave 3 trade opportunities last week, and all of them were profitable, and around 250 pips worth of move it was. So those of you who got it, congratulations for the profit. If the market drops from here, I'm doing nothing. my long-term plans will still be then there. This support is right here with me near 1.25, but the long-term level obviously will be 1.23428, and if I become a bull right here, I can make decent profits, and those who become bulls can make decent profits. So the ideal trade opportunity in the upcoming week, obviously this is there, but it will be failed, and I'm going to delete this right here, because now the market is on this impulsive wave. So since the market is going to drop, and I will highly recommend to wait for the market towards this zone right here of 61.8% retracement, and I am most probably going to become a seller right here. So the setup will look something like this. If you see, it will look something like this. I will be pasting it right here, and this is going to be the setup for the upcoming week. So people can buy the market from here, sell the market from here towards 1.23428, and it is going to be a very nice and fantastic trade opportunity. But again, I want to tell you that I always wait for the market. I'm not like blindly trading, and I am telling all of you to wait for the market with a patience and nothing else. If you wait for the market, you will be making profits most of the time, because when you wait for the market, what you experience is you get a chance to put very tiny stop loss for your trades, right? So very fantastic trade setup, and do update me about it once you get it. And those of you who are then inquiring about the trade opportunities and the courses, this is my WhatsApp number. Most of the traders loses a lot of money in the forex market if they are trading alone. So if you want mentorship services, this is my WhatsApp number. Do contact me, and I'm sure I can make you a very better trader, and I can give you some nice and decent profits in monthly basis. So this is the current situation of the pound dollar right here. I will be moving to one more pair, and that is pound yen. Let's see if we can get something. These are some long-term buying opportunities, but I have missed them. Why? Because I waited for the market. So if I waited for the market, there will be chances I will be missing the setups. So does it mean I will be quitting forex trading? Not at all. So right here, pound yen gave a very fantastic break of structure right here. So what I'm waiting for is, I am waiting for the market to retest this zone, and obviously I will be planning to become a bull right here near 188.717. so very simple trade setup this is. If I show you this on the H4, and if someone is interested in a sell opportunity to make something good, first of all we have to measure it with the Fibonacci tool. Approximately 61.8% retracement. Market has been bounced back from right here. So as per the ABCD pattern, definitely this is showing me a completion near, again 196.00, approximately 195.75 I should say. But for that, the market has to break above this level of 61.8% retracement right here. So a profit of around this can be generated very easily, 216 pips. And we can also take a sell from there. If this sell is executed, it can also give around 100 pips as a day trade right here. Not too much profit from this, and the long term obviously that is pointing towards 195. If it breaks from right here, I'm doing nothing, but I will be waiting to become a bull again near 188.65, somewhere closer to this zone. Now coming to this euro US dollar, and what I'm more interested in, there are different sell opportunities that I can get and can be used as a take profit for these trade opportunities. One is right here 1.08277 as an intraday level. The other becomes a weekly trade setup, and that is going to be 1.08663 as a sell opportunity once again. And this will be looking something like this with a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, which comes right here. So I'm going to highlight this area for all of you, and market is going to approach back up there, from where I will be taking a sell trade opportunity. Those of the traders who are trading it on the lower time frames, let's have a look at it. Sorry about the messy chart. We have got a 61.8% retracement right here, as you can see, and the market bounced back. So I will become a seller if the market breaks 1.07801. I will be a seller, but unless market gives me this break below, I am going to be a bull once again towards 1.08277, from where I'm planning to take a sell trade. Moving on to the dollar CAD, and as you can see, there was a very nice trade opportunity that I gave. This we won this trade then several times. Since I know this direction of the market, this I traded, this I traded, this I traded, and every trade gave me good profits. Then market entered at a sell zone, and right here if you can see, market gave dropped. Now where I'm expecting this drop to be coming towards, definitely this is a long term, and I'm expecting the market to be retesting 1.33537 once again, and then obviously the setup will look something like this, and A to B, and obviously that is going to be the C to D, which completion level is 1.37500, and right here if you see, we have a very nice and fantastic resistance zone as well, the previous breakout point as well, so it can be a very nice trade opportunity for all of us. Now I have time, so let's discuss New Zealand US dollar. If there is something, this is a sell zone, this is a buy zone, and this is a buy zone as well, so make sure to check out my previous video for that. US oil, and US oil finally hit my level, tomorrow I will be making a recap video of all of my analysis that I did from October till now so far, so that you get what my strategy offers you. It eliminates all of your emotions and it gives you fantastic profits, remember everyone, right? So this is clearly at a sell zone right here, and all of these profits, see my previous analysis is right here. I will be showing you tomorrow, or maybe in the upcoming week. I will try to go somewhere out in the park, and I will try to give you a recap of all of the analysis. So I want to do it quarterly, on quarterly basis, so that you get an idea that how much my analysis can help you and can give you profit. So this is obviously 83.32. First of all, I don't want crude oil to go further up, because the petrol prices and the gasoline prices will rise right here. I don't want that. But obviously let's have a look at this on the weekly time frame, and on a weekly time frame, if we see, this is clearly pointing towards 91 once again. But since I have told you, market moves in a zigzaggy conditions, and I'm expecting a drop from here towards this broken level once again, and at this broken level I will be trying to become a bull once again. But if I assume this as a whole impulsive leg, and if I draw Fibonacci over it, it can be used as a take profit zone for the sell. Those traders who are trying to take a sell, this is going to be a very nice fantastic 76.02 is going to be a fantastic sell opportunity for all of us. And right here if you see, market break this zone as well, right here support, and this was a resistance, and finally the market gave us a breakout retest. So this was also one trade opportunity for all of you. Now the market closed bullish. We have to see in the upcoming week on Monday and Tuesday. If market rejects from here, then definitely it's going to come back towards 76.02 once again. So remember everyone, if you manage your trades properly, if you can place your stop losses at good places, you will be always making profits. This market is full of opportunities, and those traders who manage their trades, who manage their risk, who wait for the market, who have very less greed. Well, greed is okay, even I'm sometimes greedy, but if my stop loss is at a good level, if I know how to manage a trade, then I will be making profit. And that's what I try to teach all of you in my YouTube videos. But for some reason, those of traders who cannot pick from the YouTube may contact me on this WhatsApp number, and I promise I can make you a better trader. Make sure to leave us a like and give me a thumbs up. Click on the bell icon with a subscribe button. Give me your feedback on my WhatsApp number as well in the comment section down below. Take part in the community. I'm bringing such exclusive content for all of you. These are paid stuff. I'm providing it free of cost right here. The courses, I don't encourage anyone to buy my course, but definitely you need a mentor if you are keep losing, right? If you are not making it, before you wash your account, do contact me, do contact some other mentor, take their course, and believe me, you will become a better trader. But if I specifically talk about myself and my techniques, I can make you a better trader. Just contact me right here on the number and you will see the progress yourself. Keep me in your prayers. I keep you in my prayers. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.